you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to enter full screen mode for an app on your MacBook. Okay, so for this guys, first you need to open any app on your Mac which you want to enter the full screen mode. For example, I am opening Microsoft Word. As you can see guys, so by default the app will not open in full screen mode in some MacBook. As you can see guys, same problem I also facing. Now if you want to enter the full screen mode for this app, here in the top left side corner of your screen on your app, here you can get the green icon. Just click on it and here you can get the option enter full screen. Just click on it, that's it. Now your app will open in full screen mode. As you can see guys, if you want to exit, move your mouse cursor to the top left side corner of your screen and go to the green icon, and here you can exit full screen. If you want to exit, just click on it, that's it. So that's it for today guys, this short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.